The COVID vaccine is now a required part of the immigration process to receive your green card. Hi, I'm attorney Megan Pastrana for the immigration firm for couples, and I'm here to discuss exactly what this means for your immigration journey, and most importantly, to answer the question, what if I don't want to have the COVID vaccine? What are my options? Because I've been receiving that question a lot, so I really wanted to provide you with some clarity around this topic. So as part of the process to receive your green card, an individual has to receive a medical exam, and this is completed by a civil surgeon. And part of that medical exam is administering vaccines to the individual. Vaccines, as part of the immigration process, are not something new. We have polio and tetanus and a lot of other vaccines that are always been required as part of the process to receive your green card. The COVID vaccine has just now been added to that list. So there are a few exceptions. There are waivers for certain individuals to, like I said, to get a waiver of that requirement so you don't have to receive the COVID vaccine. But to answer the question that everyone has, if I just don't want to receive it, can I apply for the waiver? No, it doesn't work that way. The waivers that are available are for religious and moral reasons. And so it's a pretty complex process to ask for this waiver. It has to be supported with evidence that because of a moral or religious conviction, you are asking for a waiver of that requirement. Other reasons that an individual might not have to receive the COVID vaccine is for individuals where it's not age appropriate. So children under the age of 14, for example, or individuals who would have a contraindication, or in layman's terms, basically that you'd have an adverse effect to receiving the COVID vaccine. And lastly, if you happen to live in a country, some immigration processes are completed outside of the United States. If you happen to live in a country or an area where the COVID vaccine isn't readily available, isn't routinely available, then the civil surgeon could decide there isn't a vaccine available for this individual. It would hold the process up too much. And in that case, that person wouldn't have to receive the COVID vaccine. But in short, you can't just ask for a waiver just because you don't want to receive the COVID vaccine. I hope that information was helpful. If you'd like to learn more about the immigration process, please check out our firm, immigrationforcouples.com. Thanks for watching.